Hello chess friends, welcome to the English chess trick and games. In this video, I will show you some amazing chess trick and traps in the Petrov defense. When we start with e4, e5, knight f3, knight f6 and knight into e5. This is the Petrov defense and also called Russian games. Now, most of the players usually play d6 in this position and white back to this knight on f3. Now black plays knight into e4. Now we have two options. One is pawn to d3 and pawn to d4, but we will directly play pawn to d4, and this is the very important option to play here, because in this situation white has one trap and most of the black players doesn't know how to counter this situation. So most of the players usually goes for d5 supporting to the knight. Now we will play bishop d3 attacking to e4 knight, and black usually plays here bishop e7, and this is the accuracy, or you can say this is the mistake move. Now we will castle on the king side and our opponent will play bishop to f5. This is the very passive move, because both the bishops are in the danger zone, and we can say both the bishops are hanging piece here. So next move, our opponent will try to recover this pawn. So we will first play c4 attacking to this d5 pawn. Now black has one option, which is pawn to c6 supporting to the d5 pawn, but most of the players not play like this and they directly castle on the king side. This is not a good move for black, because we will directly attack to the center or toward the center. Now we will play c into d5 and our opponent will definitely play queen into d5. Now friends, we have one trick, and this is 100% accurate trick, which is bishop into e4. Yes. Now black has one option, which is he can defend this bishop by playing queen e6 or queen to d7. Both the options are correct, but friends, most of the players not playing like this, and they usually capture this bishop by his bishop, which is bishop into e4. Now this is the very mistake move by black players, and now we will play knight c3. This is very crucial move for white, because if he plays bishop into f3, now we can play knight into d5, and if he captures with this bishop, now we will play knight e7 check. Black must play king to h8. Now we will regain this bishop by playing rook f1 to d1. Now we are completely ahead in this situation, or you can say we are completely have one extra major piece, which is knight. So most of the players do not play like this, or they will simply defend this bishop by playing something like queen to c6. Here we have one option, which is pawn to d5, which is also very good, but we will directly capture this bishop by playing knight into e4. This is also good option. Now black has only one option, which is queen into e4, and now we will play our tricky move, which is rook e1, attacking to the directly to the black's queen. And he has only few options, like he can play, one option is g4, or another is this way. All the options are very good for saving his queen, but if he play something like queen to c6, we will directly capture his bishop. Now you can see we have one extra bishop on the board, and this is the winning advantage for white piece. So this is the trick for white, which is in the Petrov defense. Friends, Petrov defense is very popular in the any level, so you can use it in anywhere, wherever this chess trick wants. So thank you for watching this video.